Hey, Ryan Hughes, Awesome Ford. Today I'm going to talk to you about a feature that really doesn't get talked about enough, and that's a speed compensator. And what that does is you can actually set the volume of your stereo to match the speed of the car. The faster you go, the more road noise you might incur, it'll actually bring the volume up. So simply what you do here is you go into settings, hit your settings button, click here into sound, scroll down right here, and as you can see it's right here, currently set on medium. But you have choices. You can turn it off so the volume won't change with your speed. You can turn it low so it just turns up a little bit, medium or high. I think it's a pretty nice feature. As you start going faster in the car, radio turns up a little bit, makes it very nice. But you could, like I said, you can also turn it off. That way the radio stays at the same thing. Got it. Exit out of there. Let's go back home. Right there. And you're good to go. Have a good day.